Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to another video of ASTRA 2022 program presented by Akka IAS Academy. So in this particular video, I'll be dealing with 7 different types of questions based upon permutation and combination and 3 reading comprehension questions. Okay, so let's begin with the first question. In how many ways the word playground can be arranged such that the word starts with letter Y? Okay, so what is the word here? Playground, Playground. Okay, see friends, actually if at all you have not watched the basic concepts video, I request you to pause the video, go back to the basic concept video, watch it and do come back and solve the questions here. Okay, if at all you have not watched the basic concepts video and directly you come and attempt the questions here, you'll not be able to solve the questions here, because all the basic concepts I have discussed in the basic video only. Okay, so here playground, how many letters are there? Actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 letters are there, but what is the condition here? The word starts with letter Y. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, first letter should be Y. This is fixed here. Okay, this is fixed because the word starts with the Y here. Okay, so Y letter only one position is there, so 1 factorial. Okay, into how many positions are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So into 9 positions are there and 9 letters will be there, so 9 factorial. Okay, so this is the answer here. 1 into 9 factorial is nothing but 9 factorial. So option B is the right answer here. Moving on to the next question. The word should end with the vowel. What do you mean by vowel? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels here, and the word should end with the vowel, the same word. Okay, playground, I'll write here Playground. Okay, the word should end with the vowel. So identify how many numbers of vowels, how many vowels are there. So A is a vowel, O is vowel, U is a vowel. So 3 vowels are there. Okay, so 3 vowels are there. What A, O, U. Okay, so how many places should be there? Actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 letter word is there. Okay, playground. The word should end with the vowel. So in this last letter, either it should be A or it should be U or it should be U. Okay, this can be done in 3 different ways. Okay, not 3 factorial ways, into 3 different ways here. This question should be taken care of. Okay, so what is the rest places here? Actually the rest places are 9 places are there, and how many words should be filled up in this 9 places? Actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 words are there and 9 positions are there. Actually in 9 positions 7 different words can be filled up in 9 factorial ways. Okay, so this is nothing but 9 factorial into 3, 9 factorial into 3, not 3 factorial. Okay, so avoid confusion. Okay, 9 factorial into 3 factorial, so this will be the wrong answer. Option D is the right answer. 9 factorial into 3 is the right answer here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. No two vowels comes together. See here, no two vowels comes together. See, I'll write a word here, Playground. What are the vowels here? I'll again mark the vowels here. See, A is there, O is there, U is there. Okay, no two vowels should come together. So how many vowels are there? A, O, U are there. So write the rest of the words here. Okay, so Playground. So these are the rest of the words here. So how many positions are there? Actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 positions are there. So in that 8 positions, how many different types of permutations you can arrange here? Actually in that 8 positions, 8p permutation. See here, these 3 vowels should be arranged here. Okay, in that 8 positions these 3 vowels should be arranged. Okay, that is 8p3. Yes or no? Into how many words are left? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So into 7 factorial. 8p3 into 7 factorial is the right answer. 8p3 into 7 factorial. Option C is the right answer here. Okay, simple question. The basic concepts you need to understand here. So moving on to the next question. In how many ways 3-digit number, okay, the 3-digit number can be formed from 93741. Okay, so 9 3 7 4 1. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there. Okay, so out of 5 digits, how many digits should be found? 5 permutation, 3 digits should be found, 5p3. So this will be written as 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. Okay, so this is nothing but 5 factorial. I'll write it is 5 factorial, and 5 minus 3 factorial is nothing but 2 factorial. 5 factorial by 2 factorial. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial, option C is the right answer here. Okay, simple question. Moving on to the next question. How many numbers between 400 and 1000 can be formed with digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0? Repetitions not allowed. Okay, repetitions are not allowed. See, this question I will solve it in the next page here. So what is the given data actually? So given data is between 400 to 1000. How many digit number should be formed? How many numbers between 400 and 1000 can be formed with digits? Okay, digits have been given. What are the digits here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0. Okay, 6 and 0. See here, from 400 and 1000. Okay, so in the there are 3 positions, right? Unit position, unit positions, 10 position and 100 position. Yes or no? Unit 10s and 100 positions are there. See, it is the 100 position is starting from 4 itself. Okay, so then it cannot be 2, it cannot be 3. Yes or no? 2 and 3 can be eliminated here. So what are the most possible numbers which can be fit into 100 place? That is 4, 5, 6. Okay, it should be starting from 4 only. 4, 5, 6. Okay, in 100 place. Okay, so remaining 2 places can be filled with. Okay, these are the remaining 2 places, and it can be filled with either 2, 3, 5, 6 and 0. Yes or no? If at all 4, 5, 6, it can be filled in 100's place. The other 2 places will be 2, 3, 5, 6 or 0. Yes or no? So this can be written in the formula as, see here guys, actually 4, 5, 6 in 100's place, only one position is there. So 3 letters are there. Okay, 3 digits are there and one position is there. Okay, 4, 5, 6, there are 3 digits here. Okay, and one position they need to be filled. So 3 into, so what are the remaining letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there. 5 in permutation of how many places that needs to be filled? 2. So 3 into 5p2 is the answer here. Okay, so 3 into 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial. Yes or no? So 5 factorial, 5 minus 2 factorial means 3 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 factorial I can write. So 3 gets cancelled. So 5 4s are 20. So 20 into 3, that will be 60. Yes or no? 60 is the answer here guys. 60 is the answer. So option A it is. Moving on to the next question. How many numbers of 4 digits can be formed with digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Repetitions not allowed. Simple problem. Okay, there are 5 numbers. Okay, 5 different numbers they are given. 5 different numbers. What are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 numbers, and what you need to do is places to be filled is 4 digits. Okay, how many 4 digit numbers can be found? So 5 actually P4. This is the formula you need to write. Okay, 5p4, that is nothing but 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial. Okay, so 5 factorial means 5 minus 4, 5, that is 5 factorial itself. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3 is 2 3s are 6, 60, 6 into 2 is 120. So 120. 5 factorial is nothing but 120. So option A is the right answer here guys. Okay, so moving on to the next question. In how many ways can the word director, okay, director can be arranged so that 3 vowels are never together? Okay, 3 vowels are never together. So what is the word here? D-I-R-E-C-T-O-R. So identify the vowels first. So what are the vowels? I-E-O. Okay, so I-E-O, there are 3 vowels. Okay, there are 3 vowels. So what are the total number of letters here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total number of letters is 8. Okay, total number of letters is 8, and vowels will be 3. And what it is telling actually, in how many ways can the word director can be arranged so that 3 vowels never come together. Okay, and also you need to find any repetition words. Actually, yes, there is a repetition word R and R here, so R is occurring 2 times. So if at all you write these conditions in the first place, then the formation of the formula will be easy here. So what is the total arrangement? You need to first find out. Total arrangement will be 8 factorial by repetition of words 2 factorial. Yes or no? This will be 20160. 8 factorial by 2 factorial. This will be 20160. So then what you need to find? You need to find the combination of vowels together. Then only never together will be found out. Okay. So how many vowels are there? Actually 3 vowels can be arranged amongst them. Okay. So that is 3 factorial into apart from 3, how many letters are there? Actually 6 words are there. So 6 factorial upon repetition of 2 factorial. Okay, so this upon solving you will get 2160. So this will be 1 and this will be 2. Okay, 1 minus 2 you need to make here. Okay, because the 3 vowels are never together. The question tells us the condition that 3 vowels should never be together. So 1 minus 2 is nothing but 20,160 minus 2160. So this will be with 18,000. Okay, 18,000 is the answer here. Simple, right? So option C is the right answer here. So moving on to the next question. The very first lesson that should be taught to us, okay, the very first lesson that should be taught to us when are old enough to understand it, okay, is that complete freedom from the obligation to work is unnatural. This should be marked here, and ought to be illegal, as we can escape our share of the burden of work only by throwing it on someone else's shoulders. Okay, nature ordains that human race shall perish of famine if it stops working. We cannot escape from this tyranny. The question we have to settle is how much leisure we can afford to allow ourselves. Okay, so this passage is talking about the work and leisure here. So what is the question? The main idea of the passage. Okay, simple question. The main idea of the passage means it's easy, you need to find out. Okay, it is essential for human beings to work. Essential, no, actually in the last part of the passage it's given that we cannot escape from this tyranny. The question is question we have to settle is how much leisure we can afford. Okay, so the statement A is not talking about leisure here. There should be a balance between work and leisure. Okay, this is the most probable one. Working is a tyranny which we need to face. No, this is also wrong. Humans' understanding of the nature of work is essential. No, this is also wrong. So option B is the right answer here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. There is no harm in cultivating habits. There is no harm in cultivating habits so long as they are not injurious. Indeed, most of us are little more than bundle of habits. Take away our habits and the residuum would hardly be worth bothering about. We could not get on without them. They simplify the mechanism of life. They enable us to do multitude of things automatically, which if we had given fresh and original thought to them each time would make existence an impossible confusion. Okay, so here habits make it easier for us to live. Okay, we can arrive an idea that say there is no harm in cultivating habits. So habits make it easier for us to live. This can be the main idea of the passage. Okay, so I'll see the question now. The author suggests that the habits tend to make our lives difficult. Okay, no, okay, this is directly wrong. Option A is directly wrong. Add precision to our lives. No, make it easier for us to live. The most probable one. Tend to mechanize our lives. No, this is also wrong. Add precision to our lives is also wrong. So option C is the most probable option here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. This is a bit larger passage. Okay, private investment in general is volatile. foreign private investment is more volatile because the available investment avenues are significantly greater. That is the entire world. Okay, therefore responsibility of providing employment cannot be left to foreign direct investment. Okay, this is important here because foreign private investment is more volatile than the private investment, so hence the responsibility of providing employment cannot be left to foreign direct investment. The current FDI inflows are volatile over time and across sectors and regions, which is a necessary consequence of their search for the highest returns. Why they are volatile? Because where the private individual gets more returns, he will invest there. Across, it may be across sectors, it may be across regions. Okay, so hence foreign direct investment is more volatile in nature. Why it is more volatile in nature? Because the investment will be seeking more highest returns. Okay, so where he'll get highest return, he'll invest there. Okay, the adverse consequences are unstable employment and accentuation of income and regional inequalities. Okay, due to this there is a problem of unstable of employment, accentuation of income and regional inequalities. A probable positive consequence of foreign investment is the inflow of new technology and its subsequent diffusion. See, the word what they is using is this, you need to take care of. A probable, okay, probable positive consequence of the foreign direct investment is the inflow of new technology and its subsequent diffusion. However, the technology diffusion is not at all certain. This though the technology comes with the foreign direct investments, it is not certain because existing state of physical and human capital in India may prove inadequate for the diffusion. Okay, if at all the technology also comes, the technology doesn't for the technology the human capital doesn't match it. Okay, hence it is also inadequate for the diffusion of the technology. So what is the question here? With reference to the above passage, the following assumptions can be made. So what do you mean by assumptions? If at all you assume something that needs to be true from the source of the passage, okay, have been made. Okay, with reference to the above passage, the following assumptions have been made. Okay, so relying on foreign investment in the long run is not economically sound policy. See, actually the passage speaks about the volatile nature of foreign investments and the adverse effects of the volatility of its nature. Hence, it can be assumed that relying on foreign investments in the long run is not an economically sound policy because it guarantees no employment, and regional disparity shall be more. Also, the technological diffusion also it cannot be guaranteed here. Okay, so this is the most probable option. It can be taken into account. So second statement is policy must be undertaken to reduce volatility in foreign private investment. So actually why there is volatility in foreign private investments? Because always the foreign private investment seeks the profitability in nature. Okay, where he will find more profit, he will invest there. If at all you bring any such policies, you need to do investment in such and such places or for such and such time period, then there will be no foreign private investment only. So this statement can be eliminated here. Okay, policies must be undertaken to strengthen domestic private investments. Okay, in the first part of the passage it is saying that we cannot rely on the foreign private investment. Hence it can be assumed that policy must be made. Okay, policy must be undertaken to strengthen domestic private investments. This can be assumed here. Okay, also then public investment should be given priority over private investment. Public investment should be given priority. Nowhere in the passage we can be coming to conclusion that given priority is there. Okay, so fourth statement can also be negated. Substantial public investments in education and health should be undertaken. See, this fifth statement is not we cannot be made sure. Okay, but in general we see when we examine the theme of the passage, this might be hold good, but we'll see the options here. Okay, so 1, 2, 4 and 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4, 5 and 3 only. Okay, see here second statement is wrong here. Okay, so option A is wrong here and option D, C can also be eliminated. And policies must be undertaken to strengthen. Also first statement is good here. Okay, so first statement is good here means option B is only good here. Okay, and also fifth statement also holds good, so hence option B is the right answer here. Okay, so friends, this was the end for this video. I hope you find this video informative. If at all you like the video, kindly do share and subscribe to our Akka IAS Academy channel. Also do like in the comment, do like and also comment in the comment section. It helps us to it motivates us to bring the more quality content. God bless you all the best for your exam. Thank you. Do well in your exam, guys. We shall catch up in the next video.